How to play Flash games in like 2023? It's easy. Come on now, it's possible. Just download Flashpoint. Hello, download Flashpoint. Exe. It's better. Download it. It's on setup. I'm gonna pause it. You just install it, then you get the folder. You open it. Start Flashpoint. It's just simple. It's that simple. Like you don't need any hard stuff to do. You turn on games, and there you can see this game Bowman, whatever, some tanks. You can also put some games into your favorites, and you can find them here. You can also play Unity games. See, I just turn it on. It has to download the game, then it opens. You can just zoom it and wait a minute to just open it. Load, I mean. Just playing it. Yeah, whatever. I'm just playing it. Playing the games. Driving those cars. Whatever. Flash games. Mario 63. Yeah, I'm playing it, as you can see. That's the first option. The second one is that you can play on Newgrounds. You download the Newgrounds player. You found the game like Drago Adventure. Click on it. There you install the launcher. You just click on you download the setup, install it, then you click on the game, launch the the Newgrounds player. As you can see, I open it. The game's loading. It might be. Oh, it's not that loud. The game's here. Easy. I'm playing it. On Newgrounds, I think you can't play Unity games. Unity games in here aren't working on that Newgrounds player. Well, I think that's all from me. Now it's up to you to play the games again and finish them all. See ya.